Hello guys, this is Oziri Maker from foreigncodes.com. So in the last lecture we talked about selecting all elements, okay, using this method, and I created a function that actually does the counting of false for all elements that were selected. So in this lecture I'm going to take us through selecting specific elements, okay, in more ways. So I'm just going to do a Control Shift S on this guy, and I'm going to call this element selector. Okay, so I'm going to come to element selector, and now I'm going to create a p tag, okay, and I'm going to give it some text, okay, and now I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate. Okay, now so right here I'm going to select p or p element, so we'll see, and I'm going to use the CSS property to give it a color of red. Again guys, if you don't understand what I'm doing right here, don't stress, it's okay. In subsequent lectures I'm going to treat all of this. The main point is I want you to understand how to select element, each type of element, okay, so you don't run into trouble doing that. So we have this saved right here, and let's see this on the browser real quick. So before we go, I just want to show us what I did right here was to select all p elements, and give it a color of red, so it's C. Okay, so back to this, I'm just going to open contain folder once again, and so we have element selector. Now you see all the elements right here is turned red. Okay, so let's say for example we want to make this happen to just the first or the second or the third one. We could say p first, and let's save and reload, and now we see that just the first one is red. Okay, so we could do a lot of things with this. We could select the second one, we could select the last one, we could select by even numbers, we'll select by odd numbers. Okay, so all of this we're going to talk in subsequent lectures. Okay, so thank you for watching, hope you got the point. So what I did right here was to show us how to select elements by what's it called, by the way we do it in CSS. Okay, so more practically, so please guys, focus attention on the selector, focus attention on the class, on the topic of the class. The topic of the class is selecting elements in jQuery. Okay, don't focus on this guy. This guy was made for practical purpose, to make you understand more better. Okay, so thank you for watching, see you in the next lecture.